Ciao and buongiorno. Thank you for joining us today. I am Papa Joe's.
And I'm Mama Donna.
And you are watching Loving Food, where it's all about the food and the people love of people.
Joe and I strongly believe in this community, and it's our hope that through this show we can make people more aware of all the good works and wonderful resources that surround us every day, right here in Hernando County.
That is correct. And today we are joined by a special guest, Jenna Weinzenberg, which she represents the American Heart Association. She will be here to tell us about how they reach out to people in need and what you could do as a community to support the organization. Either making fun of my say heart.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Well, baby, you don't pronounce your H, so heart.
Heart.
Very
right.
good.
Anyway.
Much better.
We get what you mean.
Jenna, I know that your organization is a wonderful organization. Can you tell us something about your organization that our folks don't know about?
Sure, the American Heart Association, it's our mission to make people's lives healthier and better. You guys are all about family, bringing people together to enjoy food. We want people to be around for that. We want to make them live longer. So that's all what we're about.
What can I do to participate for your organization?
I'll go to heart.org and find out your local chapter. You can volunteer with us. We have some great events. And call our office. The number is on heart.org, and we'll tell you how to get involved.
Today, my wife is going to show us how to make this wonderful beet salad. And then...
and you are too.
Okay. All right. Well, me too. Well, I'm ready to cut the beets, honey. But you are forgetting to say that the Romans, which were Italians, are the one that discovered beets. How about that?
Really?
Yeah.
Now, how did you know that?
Well, I read on Google.
Oh.
Well, he cut the beet in half, and forgive my wife if she's going to correct me. And then I cut it this way first, and then this is going to be for the salad, okay?
Okay.
And then I cut it this way, and if it's too big, because she's going to say it's too big, I cut them again, and that'll be for the salad. Now, honey, you want to tell us about your salad?
This is your beets chopped up fairly small and seasoned, and with a raspberry vinaigrette, and we'll have the recipe on the website, but we'll just finish it off on the top here.
Jana, hold on, honey. Let me get this beautiful salad over here, because it gets buried there.
So look how beautiful the color that brings into the whole picture. But I'm going to put more than that, and then we'll toss it.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, you know what? You guys out there, you want to be taking good care of yourselves so that you can grow old like us and have wonderful grandchildren all around you and help share your life with them, because we do.
Who are you calling old?
I'm not saying, did I say we were old? That's wrong. That's bad. I did not mean that. We're not old.
I am not old.
We're just getting our years on.
Yes.
And with our grandkids and our wonderful guest, Gianna, we are going to cook just for you.